Yes, nakapag-retouch na po.
Ayun ang importante dahil ika nga ni Stacy kanina, may glam team. My glam team today. Okay, let's start with our Q&A. We begin our segment with a question from Claire of Capex. Sabi ni Claire, for you, what is Kapamilya and how does it feel to be part of Kapamilya? Let's ask Joanna, our leader. What is Kapamilya?
Yes, ang sarap na pakinggan ng Kapamilya. For Beanie, being a Kapamilya, it's not just about being part of a company, ABS-CBN. It's about being part of a family na vina-value yung love, yung support and unity. And from the word kapamilya itself, pamilya, that's how it feels every day. And hindi lang to between us and the management. Sa lahat, marshals namin, safety officers, utility, sound engineers. Alam mo yung ramdam mo na hindi lang trabaho yun para sa kanila. Kung paano nila kami alagaan, pakisamahan, alam mo may pagmamahal. And siguro kaya din grabe yung pagmamahal na nabibigay namin sa craft namin, sa supporters namin. Kasi punong-puno na kami ng pagmamahal dito pa lang sa home namin, sa ABS-CBN. So to answer your question po, ano yung kapamilya sa amin? Kapamilya is Beanie and ABS-CBN po.
Thank you, Master Joe. Maraming salamat. Next is from Metro Dot Style kay Trisha Matias. And Sheena, ikaw daw sumagot nito. Itong question ni Trisha. As you renew your contract, it's the perfect time to look back on your career. What was the most hurtful comment you received in the past when Beanie was just starting out? And how did you manage move past that?
Siguro po hindi siya precise na sinabi. It's more on na-hurt kami before every time ginagawa kami kakatawanan. Tama ba ito? Kakatawanan. Katatawanan. Kakatawanan. Katatawanan. Katatawanan. Basta ginagawa kaming katatawanan. Parang, siguro gets pa if yung content na before is talagang funny, ganyan. Pero kasi nung trainees pa lang kami, o nung nag-start na kaming i-release sa public, mahilig kaming mag-song cover, dance covers, or sing and dance. And people would make fun of us, like talagang ha-ha-ha na caps lock, ganun. So, feeling ko sa point of view namin, girls, grabe, tinatawan lang nila kami pero hindi nila alam yung sacrifices and pinagdaanan namin to be part of this group. Siguro may part sa amin na sana lahat ng taong nakakilala sa amin, alam yung journey namin para hindi kami tatawanan na lang ng ganun. Or if hindi kami kilala, which is valid kasi hindi naman talaga kami kilala noon, siguro just ignore us. Hindi yung literal na gagawin mo kaming like that. Nakakaano lang sa feeling na grabe. Titingin nila sa amin pero nagpapakita kami ng talento na pinaghirapan namin.
Did it make it tough?
Yup, it made me tough.
Yeah! Tough.
May accent na naman siya.
Yes po.
Ka na for world tour ha? Nag-accent ka na.
Yes.
Thank you, Sheena. Now, ito kay Colette naman daw, according kay Trisha, what was the most emotional moment you shared as a group recently? And was there a moment when you cried as a team because of the overwhelming success you've been receiving?
Siguro po itong concert namin sa Araneta kasi hindi naman sa sobrang dami na namin na-achieve na naiiyak kami. Naiiyak kami in a way na nafe-feel namin yung love talaga and support ng mga taong talagang naniniwala sa amin. And paano ba? Talagang love kami nila na kilala kami isa-isa po. So naiiyak kami sa ganun na grabe. We're just being ourselves lang naman. And lalo nila kaming minamahal kasi nga nakikita nila na authentic po kami sa ginagawa namin and mahal po namin yung ginagawa namin. Sa ganung bagay po kami naiiyak kasi hindi po talaga namin, hindi pa nagsisink in sa isip namin na sobrang ganito na yung na-achieve namin. Parang wala po talaga sa ugali ng kahit sinong baby po. So, mas more on yung nagawa namin yung mga gusto namin gawin, doon kami naiiyak po.
Ganda. Thank you, Colette. Also pala, I wanna say ha, itong pagpirma nyo ng kontrata, it kind of slammed the rumors na maghihiwat o gawatak-watak na lang.
Yes!
Diba, Master Joe?
Yes! Ang dami kasing fake news. Ang daming fake news na malalagasan daw ng member ng Beanie. Hello, we just signed the contract.
Yay! Okay, next is Carlos Aragon from Mega Kapamilya, and Carlos will ask his question. Hi, Carlos.
Hello po. Congratulations, Beanie. For sure, ang dami nyo na napatunayan at ang dami nyo na ring achievement. Ano pa ba yung mga dreams ng Beanie na hindi pa natutupad?
Si Aya ang pasagutin natin dyan.
Actually kasi for me, parang kaka-start pa lang namin. Na parang even if we've been together since 2019, ba? Parang ngayon pa nag-start yung mga mabigat na pangyayari. Hindi, yung parang with the tours, with concerts and shows, events, brands, and everything po. So there is still a lot to venture, and hopefully we really get to have more blooms and ma-perform ng mga blooms in different countries. Now hopefully they can not only listen to our songs, but we can also bridge them to listening more to the many songs that we have here in the Philippines and the many great artists that we have here. Thank you po.
Thank you, Carlos. Yun yung sinabi ko dun sa, I did a New Year, year-end special ng news. Sabi ko, ang Beanie ang naging daan para makilala ng mga new generation of Phil-Ams and Phil-Canadians, yung bagong Filipino talent of this new generation. So maganda yung sinabi ni Aya, kayo yung nagiging daan to not just your music, but OPM music. Alright, let's go now to the question from Inquire.net kay Hannah Mallorca. For Mika, ang question is, being part of the Nations Girl Group is a huge responsibility. How do you take care of yourselves as a group and as individuals in the midst of this responsibility and massive fame?
Wow, thank you
Miss Universe yung tanong.
for that wonderful question. And I completely agree na grabe yung responsibility that is on us. But the way we take care of our image or the idol that these people look up to is that, of course, we have to be careful with our health, what we put out in social media, like our relationship with one another. As the girls, lagi po namin binavalue yung relationship namin together, not just with us, but also the people we work with. And I think that's what's most important, yung attitude nyo sa industry and yung attitude nyo towards anyone you meet. And to also make sure that, to always make sure that you also stay humble and you never ever think that there's nothing more to grow to, like there's always something to learn. There's always something new to learn every single day, and you are never perfect. You will never be perfect, and that's okay because we're all human.
Ang ganda rin kasi ng training sa inyo, kaya meron kayong sense of discipline sa simula pa lang nung kayo'y binubuo, no? Kaya bit-bit niyo siya hanggang ngayon. This next question is also from